Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today, I want to show you how to increase your t-shirt sales on eBay by using professionally made vectors from Shutterstock. Printify partnered with Shutterstock to allow designers and print-on-demand sellers to use any vector on their products with no upfront cost. You only pay a fee for the images you used after your products are sold. I will show you step by step how you can use any vector file you want on your products. If you don't know what's Printify, or how to use it on your eBay store, I have already made a video about it a while ago. You can check it out in the cards section or the description box below. After you choose which product you want to use, normally you have to press the button to add your design, and upload it either from your computer, or from a Dropbox folder. There is also the option to create a text design, but what we are interested in today is the option to add a design using Shutterstock. Once you click on the Shutterstock button, you will be able to search for any vector, photo, or illustration that you want to use on your product. Keep in mind that you can choose your images from two collections: the Essentials collection and the Full collection. The difference between these two collections is the price you pay when your product sells. For the Essentials collection, you will pay $0.99 per image when your product is sold. As for the Full collection, you will pay 17.5% of the Printify production cost, with the minimum fee of $1.49, when your product is sold. It's also worth mentioning that you can use multiple images in one design, though that will increase your fees. You can also duplicate your image in one design with no increase in fees. This might be helpful if you want to use an image to create a pattern design. I will leave a link to the integration page so that you can learn more about it. To learn more about eBay and how to scale your business, check this playlist out. Thanks for watching.